So welcome back. Today we're doing Mathematics 1 on Khan Academy about two-variable linear equation intro, which has two exercises. And first we'll focus on solutions to two-variable equations, which is not so complicated yet. So first one is really easy, okay? So let me copy this equation down. Okay, this is how the equation looks like. And then he give us actual two actual answers. So we will try these two answers out to see if that work or not. So first, let's try A, which is we plug. This is our x coordinate, this is our y coordinate. So we're gonna plug them in just like that. And is that equal to 2? 10 plus 9. Yep, is equal to 2. So this is 1. Let's do B just to make sure. So -7, same strategy, plug them in. And then we can calculate them out to negative number multiply, get us a positive number. And one negative, one positive, give us a negative, which is also 2. So the answer is C, both. Okay. This is question 1, and let's move on. Question number 2. Which order pair is a solution to equation? So same strategy. We will try them out. So let's plug x to here. So 4 times 2 minus 7 is equal to 1. So 8 minus 7, yep, indeed is equal to 1. So this is true. And let's work by B. 9 equal to 4 multiplied by 4 minus 7, which is equal to, is that equal to each other? 16 minus 7. Yep. So they did, indeed, so it's option C, both. Move on, question number 3. Which order pair is a solution of the equation? Copy them down first. And I think you can pause the video here and to try out by your own now. Okay, so hopefully you'll try that, and it's fairly simple. Just use a strategy. Same, so let's try that out. Plug y as y, x as x. And 8 plus 3 is indeed equal to 11, so that's correct. And let's verify B. 8x. So same strategy, let's plug them in. -5 as y, -1 as x. And let's carry them out. -1 plus 3 is equal to -5. So again, the answer are both correct. And finally, we got last one. -3x plus 5y equal to 2x plus 3y. Okay, so this question, you can see we got we got two variable on both sides. So how can we solve that? Well, first way, I'm gonna show two ways now. So let me draw a line. There's two ways to do that. So I'm gonna show you the first way. So first way is just the same. Okay, we just plug them in and try them out. So negative 3x plus 5 times 4. This first, just a sec. 2 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4. And let's see, negative 6 plus 20, 4 plus 12. Are they the same? No, right? This is 14. And this is 16, so they don't equal to each other. And then we'll try option A is wrong. And let's try B. Negative 3x. Negative 3 multiplied by 3 plus 5 multiplied by 3 equal to 2 multiplied by 3 plus 3 multiplied by 3. And let's see. So negative 9 plus 15. 6 plus 9. And you can see we don't have any answers. And you mark them to question mark. Okay, so this is 6. Well, this is 15. So let me just check the answer. Good, it's neither. And I'm gonna show you the second way to stop this, okay? So, let me draw a line. Draw a line right here. So, how to solve this? What we can do is we can find the simplify this equation first. Okay, so what that mean is I find x. I want x in one side and y in one side. Okay, which is mean I can move this to 5x by plus 3x both sides. Let me write that out. So I plus 3x both sides, and I get 5x plus 3y equal to 5y. And then similarly, if I want to subtract 3y from both, subtract 3y from both sides. So subtract 3y, and what we get is 2y equal to 5x. And you can say, if we use this way, it will be much simpler for our calculation. We can just do mental math, like 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. It does not equal to 10 or something like that. So why do I do that? Well, just for the sake of simplicity. Okay, that's a point where we have. I showed this two ways to solve that. You can choose either way. Well, because they both give us the same answer. And that's it for our exercise 1. So we're gonna do exercise 2, complete solution to two variable equations. We got this equation So what I want to do is I obviously want to get rid of the parenthesis using our distributive property, which is -3 multiplied by x, and -3 multiplied by -4, which give us plus 12, and y equal to that. Well, I obviously can simplify since I have simplify this equation a little bit, so I decided to do that. Well, subtract 2 from both sides, and I want to move plus 3, minus 3x to here, so plus 3x from as 3x both sides. So I get this. Okay, you can totally didn't do all of these. In fact, yeah, because it's give you one solution already, you can just plug this as y into here and get the x. Okay, but this is just gonna save us some calculation time. So let's figure that out. We got -2 plus 3x equal to 10. 3x, I'm gonna plus 2, add 2 from both sides, so 3x equal to 12, and x equal to 4. So the solution of this should be 4. Good. And now I'm gonna try other ways, which is don't do any calculation, don't simplify in terms at all. So what do I get? This time it tells us x value, so what we can do is just plug the x value in, which is 2, -1 plus 1. Well, with this -1 plus 1 equal to 0. So I get rid of this whole term. Yeah. And then I get y plus y minus 3. And then y equal to 3, but add 3 from both sides. So y equal to 3. Good. Okay, let's move on to next question. 6x plus 7y equal to 4x plus 4y. Alright, so how can we solve that? Well, I want to do this, you have two ways. You just plug them in, but I want to simplify first since I want to save some calculation time. So I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. We don't actually save times because do all of these steps. So 2x plus 7y equal to 4y. And let me subtract 7y from both sides. What we get is 2x equal to -3y. And let's take a look. Complete the missing value. So it gives us y value. Yeah, you must make sure that the question give you x value or y value. If he give you in here it's x value, or in here is y value. So -3, -4, 2 negative, we got a positive. So 12 equal to 2x. I'm gonna skip one step. X equal to 6 if we divide by 2 both sides. So x equal to 6. Not 7, 6. Last question. I'm just gonna plug them in this time. Okay, so it gives us x values this time. Okay, x value, so left hand side didn't really change much. Right hand side we changed something parenthesis, which is -3 plus 3. Yeah, I got rid of this right hand side is 0, 1 minus 4, add 4 both sides, we get y equal to 4. Good. So I also suggest you to check equations, which is just plug the answer back in, see if everything makes sense to you. Alright, yep. So let me give you a quick overview of what we'll do next. So next time, we'll do all these 4 exercises from graph, graphing from slope, sloping table, to slope from 2 point. Alright, so thank you very much.